Okay, you can see yeah, around 88. Uh, huh. I want us to revise the open exam because I know most of you are on that paper. But before 10, I want to see whether you're hearing me. I want to select one person to hear whether you can hear me. Jimmy Kabia. Jimmy Kabia. Jimmy Kabia. Kabia. Hivi kama unanisikia? Jimmy. Jimmy. Uh, Wayne. Kelly. Kelly, can you hear me? You can unmute. Kelly. Then I want to open the chat. You can chat. Chat. The chat room is open. You can communicate through the chat. You know, I want to know whether we are communicating. You can unmute. Come on, Wayne. Wayne. Wayne, you can unmute. I don't know whether. Ben. Ben. Okay. Niona chat. Yeah, you can be heard. Good. That's fine. Iko sawa kabisa. So let's go direct to our business of the day. I want us to share the midterm exam. No, the holiday assignments, and I can see the document is here. Maybe have you finished all the assignments? Unajua mnafikiria ni mbali sana kufungua next week, so the whole day is done. If you have not finished all the assignments, you might find yourself in problems. Now, look at, I want us to go, majorly, we can go through section B. Looking at the charts. Yes, you can be heard. Good. So I want us to go through the paper. Can you see the paper on that side? Unadhani karatasi? Is it? I'll go through several questions. We do them together and see. Because as you know, this paper may be used in the open exam. So these concepts may not be very different from what is there in the open exam. So ukifanya vizuri kwa holiday assignment, you are likely to do well in the open exam, and I'm sure kuna mtu hataki kupita. So we have several areas that you should look at. Maybe if I start from what we were doing before, naweza anza na hii tuone hii. This one This is income tax. Sorry. This is income tax. We had discussed about this last time. If you can remember, we got tumeangalia income tax last time. And I can see, let me misbehave. Ukiangalia this paper, there's in a certain year, okay, we can look at this. That's in a certain year. Tax, we have some tax rates in the income tax were shown. I want to take this data so that we can use it elsewhere. Number 12, yes, I also go through number 12. Now I'm going to request number 12. We are going to go through most of them. You know, our time is much limited. I've noted number 12. So, kuna 1 to 4, 1 to 4200, kuna 4200 to 201, inaenda na 2, 3, then up to 12600, inaenda na 5, 16800, inaenda na 6, 16801, and above, inaenda na 7. Dates in shillings per annum. So this person is earning in that year, Momanyi is paid 4,000 shillings as paid. A very good one, this one. This is what we talked about last time. So this person is paid is paid 4,000. No, in that year, he paid 4,000 in your back. Paid 4,000 per month. Hiyo ndio alilipa. He has a monthly house allowance of, sijui kwa nini hii kitu ina misbehave. Correct. Kidogo tukifanya nataka kuirekebisha kidogo. So this person is paid 4,000. Kama mtu alipa 4,000, nataka kuirudisha pale. Kama mtu alipa 4,000, sawa. Ilikuwa imepotea kidogo, but we are okay. So this person is paid 4,000 He paid 4,000. Also noticing somewhere because we will exit. Nimeona inakataa kwa paid 4,000. Oh, has paid 4,000. He has a monthly house allowance of 10,800. The personal relief. Personal relief is determined one, his gross tax. Gross tax, then his taxable income. I want to go to a new page so that I can write. Na ukuwe keen hapo kwa sababu hii nayo itakuja. You have to be very keen to understand when tunafanyanga back. So hii ni kurudi nyuma. So if this person paid 4,000, 4,000 hii ndio tunaitanga net. Yes. Okay, so hii ndio tunaitanga net tax, or is also called pay. So this is tax, net tax is after relief. So if this is after relief, what is the tax before relief? Kama hii relief ni kama ka discount. If you are supposed to pay 5,000, you pay 4,000. It means that the relief at that point is 1,000. So hii ni tax yenye alilipa finally after the discount, after the relief. Sometimes I call it discount for you to understand. How much did he pay before the relief? Before apatiwa hiyo discount ya 1,100. So relief was supposed to be 1,000. Nilikuwa nimenote pahali 1,100. So how much nataka pale kwa chat. Tell me how much this person kuna mtu anauliza kama hii kwani assignment gani? Okay. Oh, nasema hiyo. Allow me to finish this one. Sababu ni back. I think I had I promised that last time wakati tulikuwa na lesson na nyinyi. Do you remember that? I had promised to do a last one. So allow me to finish this one. I've seen that in the text, in the chat. So this is so the tax before the, the gross tax. Then on this note, because this is not part of your assignment, I want you to I want to explain very clearly. I'm very sure you don't have the question. Inasema this person paid 4,000 kulipa yenye alilipa. If he was given a relief of 1,100, how was his net or his gross tax? Gross tax is the same tax before the relief, which is 5,000. Tuna add. So the next question that comes, unaambiwa find his gross, his taxable income. Taxable income. $1,100. And I put 200. And 2 shillings. let me go back to the pamoja tu turudi pale. Hii swali inasema sorry for that. Sorry for that hitch. So what I was saying is what you're to do, I think I will be a bit fast sitakaa sana swali because I want us to go through the whole the assignment briefly. So I was saying that if you're given 4,000 as the tax paid and the tax refund was 1,100, to know the tax paid is 1,100, you add to 4,000 to get 5,100. Sasa hii ni monthly. So to know how much that was paid in an year times 12. Table yetu inaongea kuhusu yearly. So 5100 times 12, allow me to be a bit fast. 5100 times 12, I have a calculator on this side. Kwa sababu ya time. 5100 times 12 multiplied by 12 tapata 61,200. 61,200. 61,200. So that is the amount that was paid on in a year. Now, from there, we need to know how much this person was earning as the basic salary. So we go to the table now. We now go to the first part of the table. We are having for 200. This is for 200 times 2 to get 4,200 times 2. Because we are charging 2 shillings. Me naenda bio hapa because I want us to visit the holiday assignment briefly. This is not the major thing that we're supposed to do. So for 200 times 2, the answer is times 2, 8,400. 8,400. Tunaendanga na subtotal. Subtotal bado 8,400 ya fika 61,000. That one is 200. Let me check. Allow me to check that very quickly. Very quickly. Check the next batch. Very quickly. Haya, kadata kangu hapa. For 200, ingine ilikuwa, let me see. Point, inaruka. Naweza iacha kutukula kichwa kidogo. I can, because it's not part of the old assignment, and now inarukaruka. So we can decide to get our assignments direct. So it is leo sijali, naona leo kuna ka challenge kidogo, but we will make it vizuri tu. Haya, hiyo naona tukiruka kwa sababu inasumbua kidogo. Now the assignment, nataka niwapitishie assignments. I want somebody to tell me whether this is what is in your assignment. Hey, somebody tell me whether this is what you have. Hii mko nayo? I want response from the chat. Uko na hii? Unaona hiyo kitu inatuwaste na tutaisoma tu baadaye hata tukiwa shule. Tunaweza ipitia tu later. So do you have this? Somebody had it up. You can chat. Sana with the chat, eh? Do you have this? You can chat. Nataka naongojea kwa text Some people have raised up their hands. You can unmute. 633, 6333.
Yes, I have it.
That is what you are having in your assignment, eh?
Yeah.
Very good. Sasa tunataka mpite hii kitu, wacha hiyo but I promise you I have to show you. Hata kama imetupea challenge ya inarukaruka hiyo part ya question. Kwa nini haitaki? But now allow me to take you through this, eh? Haya.
Okay.
Nikipick namba kama 22, I will pick them at random. Nitakapa karibu zote, eh? The figure below shows a velocity line graph. Mnaiona vile iko? Msiangalie hii working. Nimechukua kwa mtu na siko sure na yeye sana. Sijapitia na yeye. I've just picked this. Nimetumiwa tu na mtu, eh? Find the distance. Anaweza kuwa ako sawa, lakini I don't want us to use this calculation. Find the total distance covered. The total distance traveled is the area. Ndio? We normally do get the total distance by getting the area. This is the trapezium, isn't it? This trapezium has got a height of 80. The two parallel lines, kuna 0 to 24, 0 to 24, 0 to 24. Hiyo ni ngapi? Hiyo ni 24. Then pale juu kuna 4 to 20, hiyo ni 16. So itakuwa half times the sum of the two parallel lines, which is half times the two parallel lines are what and what? Are 24 and 24 and 16. So we have times the sum of the two parallel line is 24 plus 16. Umejua 16 umetoka wapi, eh? Times our height, which is 80. Is that what you've done?
Yeah.
Ulipata nini?
1,600 meters.
That's very good. 1,000?
600 meters.
1,600. So sijui kama kila mtu akona hiyo. Calculate the deceleration. Deceleration. Nataka tuende speedy because some of the time has been taken by the poor network. So deceleration is v minus u over t. Final velocity is 24 minus initial velocity. Final velocity is 0. Pale kwa 24. Final velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 8. So it's 0 minus 80 over time taken there is 4. So itakuwa 0 minus 80 divided by 4. Isn't it? It's fine.
Yes. Yeah.
To get what?
Negative 20 meters per second square.
Wow. Iko sawa. Iko fine. Then
Yeah.
part B. Aka left Nairobi towards Eldoret. Ukiona nimeexit, nataka kwanza tuchukue information alafu tu exit for the purpose of editing. Sitaki kuichokora sana. Kichokora inaruka. So aka left Nairobi towards LD. So kuna ka distance aka left Nairobi towards Eldoret at 7:12 at an average speed of 90 kilometers per hour. There are some people who have raised up their hands. Emmanuel, Larry, you can unmute.
Time says 9:52 a.m.
Eh?
9:52 a.m.
Ushamaliza? Wow. Wacha nikapitie mbio for the purpose of those people who may have issues. So the car left Nairobi at towards LD at 7:12. Aka nakapitia dakika mbili tu. Then an average speed of 90 kilometers per hour. Hiyo ni car. At 8:22. Hiyo ni car. Then a bus left LD at 8. At what time? At an average of 72 kilometers per hour. A distance. Ilitoka saa ngapi bus? 8:22, eh? I want us to nataka kuexit kidogo. Hiyo ni 348 kilometers, eh? I want to share a new, nataka kushare ka page kako hapa kuandika, eh? Wow, ndio hiyo. So nataka kuandika niseme nichore hiyo ka distance very quickly, kuna kitu inaitwa Nairobi, kuna LD. So hiyo kakaa kalianza 822, kalianza 712. Between 812 time between, kabla hii ingine ianze ilikuwa 822, na subtract 712. Hiyo time hapo ni 10 minutes. 1 hour 10 minutes. That is 1 hour and 10 over 60. So hiyo ni 7 over 6 hours. Is it true? So by the time hii ingine ianze, the car had already traveled for 7 over 6 hours. So distance traveled is equal to 7 over 6 times 7 over 6 times the speed, which is 90. Tumepata ngapi? Are the charts active? Charts ziko active?
No.
Ndio maana. Because charts zinatusaidianga kujibu maswali. Tunajibu haraka haraka tukisonga. Because most people are active. Wacha ziamushwe. So, but you can be giving the answer. The distance here is what? The distance in gani? Hapa?
105.
105. So already, the distance ka 105 is already covered. So hapa ni 105. So relative speed, relative distance between the two vehicles is ilikuwa 388. Was it 388? The distance, the total distance, 348 ama 388?
90, that would be
348.
3.
Najua tuna depend
Yeah.
on your mute. So ni 348 minus 105 to get what?
348 minus 243.
Yeah?
243.
Yes?
240.
So hiyo ndio relative distance. Wow, good. Hiyo ni mzuri sana. Kwanza uko order na tunachapa kazi na wewe. So relative distance hiyo na relative time. Okay, we were looking for. Yes?
The 3 at 343 is 2. The first 3.
Niambie.
The first 3 is supposed to be 2.
Pale?
The first 3 is supposed to be.
Sasa hiyo ndio. Sawa, nimeona. Sasa relative distance ni ndio hiyo. Tunataka relative time. Relative time is equal to relative distance over relative speed. So relative speed ni ngapi? They are moving on opposite direction. Itakuwa 90 plus 72, si ndio?
Yeah.
You get what? 162,
43. Yeah.
Iko fine.
1.5 hours.
So, yeah? So tuna divide 243.
1.5. Yeah.
243 over 162. Itakuwa 1.5.
Yeah.
Itakuwa 1.5 hours.
Yes.
So if you are kama umeulizwa, hebu turudi kwa swali mbio. Ukiulizwa acha turudi hapo kwa hiyo swali very fast. Tuambiwe, nataka turudi hapo kwa hiyo swali yenyewe. Will be there very fast. Time when the two vehicles met. Si unaongeza kutoka 822 ongeza 1.5 hours. Itakupatia saa ngapi?
822. 952.
1.5 hours. 9:52, ndio?
Yeah.
Good, 9:52 a.m. The distance covered, the distance from Nairobi to the meeting place. Distance from Nairobi to the meeting place. So angalia ile inatoka Nairobi. If it's moving at a speed of 72 times 1.5, ngapi? 72 times 1.5. Emmanuel, your hand is up. Yes, saying something.
So yeah? I took 952 minus 712, which I got 2 over 3 hours. Then I multiplied by 90.
90.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Unaweza
Then
amua
I got
kutoka na okay. Yes, then.
then I got 240 kilometers.
So wewe ulianza LD eh? Ulitumia speed ya car.
Yeah.
Ndio.
Yeah.
Ukitumia speed ya car, remember the car is starting from Nairobi,
Yeah.
So at a speed of
90.
At a speed of 90. 90 times 1.5. 135, You add the other distance that was covered. Ndio.
Yeah.
Ukapata ngapi in total? Iko fine. Hiyo tumemaliza. Kila mtu ameona hiyo. Yeah, done. So, I want to visit section A first. Tuguze kipaswali kidogo ili imekuwa ikisugua. Kadha. Haya, hii iko sawa. We are simplifying. This a special request for number 12. Unajua mtu akiuliza swali ni vizuri tu mjibu kwanza. Anaweza pata hiyo ndio itamsaidia kwa exam. Niangalie number 12 kama niko nayo hapa. Somebody who specifically pointed number 12. Good. Nimeiona. The roots are there. Two roots. The roots of a quadratic equation are 2/3 and -1/5 respectively. Express the equation in form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Usiangalie working. So this is from somebody. Hii from an independent person. But now, these are the roots. So it's a minus b. Roots ni 2/3. Nyingine -1/5. Ndio. Haya, sasa tukifanya hivyo, I want to go to a new, as usual, nataka kuruka kwa page mpya. So share. Then we go to a new page. I think new page is here. Roots ni 2/3. Na ingine -1/5. Ndio, so tunasemanga x minus 2/3 into bracket x plus 1/5. Isn't it? X minus 2/3 into bracket x minus 1/5. So we can have it as a somebody chat is disabled. Somebody is saying that. Union. Of course, chat inasaidiana sana. We are able to interact very easily. Kidogo tu. Chat. Very quickly chat ndio inatengenezwa hapo. There's somebody behind with anatushughulikia. Haya, sasa kufungua hizi ni kufungua brackets tu. Fungua brackets peke yake. And I hope it is okay now. Iko sawa number 11. Okay, number 11 nimenote. Hii kufungua brackets. I think from the working that I have here, the working is making sense. Ina make sense kwa sababu nimeona jamaa amefungua vile inafaa. So let us just Nimeona number 11. Look at this opening of the brackets. Iko na x minus 2 over 3, x plus 1 over 5. Hivyo kufungua brackets. Have you opened the brackets? Are you agreeing with this working? Lakini nimeona ameacha x pale kwa 7 over 15. But 17 hizo nimenote. I've noted number 15, 14 hizo zote tunaanza vile tumezipanga eh? So do you agree with this working? We just open the brackets the way they are supposed to be opened. Fungua bracket. Siko sawa? Hii haina shida. Naipanga tu hivi na unafungua bracket. I think this one is okay. Hii sioni shida yake. Sasa kitu wajaweka hapa ni x peke yake. So inafaa kuwa x squared minus 7 over 15x minus 7 over 15. You can multiply all through by 15. Sawa eh? Hiyo iko sawa. Hiyo hatuwezi sana. Tunaona number 11, nimeambiwa number 11. Acha niende kwa hiyo chap. Number 11. Number 11. Job bought a new laptop on hire purchase. The cash value of the laptop was 56,000. He paid a deposit of 14,000 for 24 equal monthly installments of 3,500 each. Calculate the rate at which the compound interest was charged. Now, this one here, we are looking at how much he paid. As I told you, I think I explained something about this last time. Kama cash price is 600, Kalipa 14,000 is not part of the money that will be charged interest. You are not charged interest on what you have already paid. You are charged interest on what has not been paid. Hata hii kama alifanya vizuri, unaona kama amekosea. So the principle is what you have been given as in debt. Yani yenye iko kwa debt, yenye hujalipa deni. Deni ndio ita-act kama principal. So if the cash price was 56,000, this person paid a deposit of 14,000. Sasa deni ni ngapi hapo? Deni ni ngapi? Anataka kuchukua hizo details ndio nihame kwa new page. So initially ni 56,000, akalipa 14,000. Ndio. Followed by 24 monthly installment. 24 monthly installment at 3,500 each month. Bas. Naweza toka sasa eh? Uko na data yote. Acha nitoke. Okay. Nataka kutoka niingie kwa hii. Tukiwa na hiyo data tunaimalizia haraka sana. So, clear. So initially huyu jamaa alikuwa anafaa kuuziwa 56,000, akalipa 14. So ni pesa ngapi hajalipa? 56,000 minus 14,000. So hii ndio deni. Huwezi kuwa na interest kwa ile pesa umelipa tayari. So wako na deni na ngapi? This is 42,000. Sawa? Hiyo ndio principal. You access the principal. So he paid 3,500 for 24 monthly installments. So the total paid itakuwa 24, that 500 times 24 monthly installments. Times 24. Mtu amelipa pesa mingi. That's 524. I want to use my calculator because I don't want to that's 30 to 500. I know you have already calculated. 84,000. Hebu nikonfirmie kama hizo ndio analipa. Hii ni kama kunyang'anywa. Hii naona mpaka number 16. Amalipa ngapi? 84,000. Imagine this is what he paid, 84,000. So Yeye alikuwa amebaki na 42 akalipa 84,000. So the price into 1 plus R over 100 raised to power n is equal to amount. So amount yetu itakuwa 84,000, tuiweke hapo mbele, is equal to principal, ni ile pesa yenye alikuwa amekopeshwa, 42,000 into 1 plus R over 100 raised to power n. So that when I put 200, when I put 200 on both sides, chap, chap. So 1 plus R over 100 raised to power n is equal to 2. I'm just in it 2. Is it okay? After n root. Surely your hand is up. Yes? Surely?
Shall we dividing by 42,000 or 4,200?
Yeah?
Are we supposed to be dividing by 4,200 or 42,000?
It's 42,000, sorry. It's 42,000. Ndio maana inakuja tu. Is it fine? Iko sawa? Surely? Thanks for that. Thanks for that observation. Tunafaa kudivide na 40. So how do we do away with this n? By getting the nth root. As a multiplier, you can raise by 1 over n. And by raised by 1 over n. Ndio hii ishe. So 1 plus R of 100. Sorry for that. 100 is equal to kidogo tu nione. Just a minute. Nataka niangalie hapo kidogo tu. Just for a minute. Tuko na n already. Tuko na n. N is already given. So hatuwezi work na unknown. So we already have, hiyo ndio nilikuwa nataka kucheck. So badala ya n is 2 years. Ndio? So n is 2 years. So badala ya kuweka n, hapa n is 2. I think that's what I wanted to confirm. Hiyo ni 2. So ikiwa squared, we get the square root on both sides. Ndio? Tukate. Sasa tumeelewana? Tako sawa? So tukiwa hapa, what is root 2? Square root of 2. Ndio tukue na 1 plus r over 100 is equal to root 2 ni ngapi? Square root of 2 is 1 point. Square root of 2. 1 point what? Tunatafuta square root of 2. Kama utapeana nimeipata. Square root of 2. Square root of 2. 1.4. Naona hivyo nyinyi, sijui kama mmecalculate na so square root of 2 is 1.414. Is it okay? Kuna mtu ameinua mkono. HP. Mwingine ni de. You can unmute. You can unmute.
Yes, mwalimu, can you pardon?
Yes. 108. No HP. So we can proceed.
Yes,
Haya.
can you
Yes.
pardon? Can you pardon?
Yes. Wapi?
Yote.
Yote. Wacha turudie tena. Wacha turudie. Tulikuwa tumeambiwa. I'm hoping that everybody has the question. Mimi niko na swali. Swali yenyewe niko nayo. I can start afresh. Ndio kila mtu understand. Hata uzuri nimeona I can open the question on a different. Now that everybody has a question. Kuna mtu anaitwa Job hapa. He bought a new laptop on hire purchase. So the cash 56,000. Now he paid a deposit. So therefore, near 14,000. 14,000. So ni ngapi hapo amelipa? Ni ngapi yako amelipa? Yaani hajalipa ni 42,000. Ndio? Yes. Kuna message. Should 2.93 for per month. So okay, the best way tunatumia mwaka yearly because I want us to give a rate in per annum. Nataka ikuwe per annum. Should it be 2.93 for this? Is it per month? It is per annum. Tukiwork na N in years, itakuwa per annum. If we work with N in years. So this is the amount that has not been paid. Kwa hivyo hii ni kama ndio amekopeshwa. So this will act as our principal. Sawa. So tunajua amount principal is 1 plus R of 100 which for N is equal to amount. Ndio. Amount is what is paid in total. Now, the total amount he paid is our amount. So, tunaona amount ni that the total amount paid is that 500 times 24 months. 24, those are 2 years. Tukaona huyu mtu alipa 84,000. Inakuja hapo kwa amount. So, hii ni kama ndio alikopeshwa 42,000 into 1 plus R of 100 for 2 years. 24 is the same as 2 years. So we want to get a base in per annum is equal to 84,000. We divide by 40,000 on both sides. You can take kata 1 plus R of 100 based for N, which is 2, is equal to 2. This divided by 2. We can get a square root on both sides to get 1 plus R of 100 is equal to root 2. What is root 2? Hapo ndo tulikuwa sasa jamaa tuliza swali. So square root of 2 is 1 point. Square root of 2. Square root of 2. 1.414. So tutapeleka 1 huku. Tutapeleka 1 huku. Somebody is saying that he's paying monthly. Yes, he's paying monthly. We can still work with monthly. Tutaweka N ikiwa 20. Get R of 100 is equal to 0.414. Sawa. Hawezi pata same answer kwa sababu answer cannot be per. The answer is per annum in this case. Itakuwa per annum. Lakini wacha tumalize tu kwanza, we do the two and compare. So R of 100 is equal to, you multiply by 100 both sides, itakuwa R is equal to 41.4 when you multiply by per annum. What if we decided to work with monthly? What if we decided to work with monthly? Nataka tufanye zote mbili tuone. Ukidivide 41.4 kama unataka monthly, una divide na 12. So 41.4 divided by 12 utapata 41 kidogo tu, 41.4 divided by 12 3 point. Let's see. Wacha turudi kwa monthly because both methods are supposed to work for us. Twende kwa monthly. If we decide to work with monthly, if we decide to work with monthly, wacha tuone kwa monthly itatupatia nini. So tukienda kwa monthly, clear. So we know that we are working with 42,000. We are working with 42,000. 42,000 into 1 plus R per 100 raised to power n. N is 24 months. Is equal to 84,000. Divided by 42,000, divided by 42,000, Japa equal to. So 1, we are just comparing to 1, 1 plus R 100 raised to 24 is equal to 2. Let's get the 24th root of 2. What is the 24th root of 2? Unaenda calculator unapiga 24 pale kwa x. What is the 24th root of 2? I want the answer from the chat. Calculator yangu hizi pata 24th root ni ya simu. Somebody with a proper calculator. Pata 24th root. Na kupatia 1.02. 1.029. 1 plus R of 100 is equal to 1.0293. 1.0293. So we subtract 1 on both sides. R of 100 is equal to 0.0293. We multiply by 100, multiply by 100. We multiply by 100 to get our R. Our R is equal to 2.93. 2.93. Isn't it? 2.93 per month. We can stick to this first. Tuachane na hiyo ya Anam kwanza. Anam, because basically it's talking about monthly installment. So wacha kwanza to work na hii. Although if you work na yearly, it should give the same answer. I don't know. Maybe there is a if you work the same answer after dividing by 12. Although I have noted there is a small difference. For now, let us stick to this monthly. Because the question is very categorical about the month. Wanasema we paid in 24 monthly installments. So when you work with monthly, we test that rate about the year. But now when you work with monthly, the end here will be 24. If you work with annum per annum, in fact, end should be 2 years. But now, I've noted there's like a difference in the answers. But for now, we are working with monthly. So monthly installment of that 500 per month. It means that if we work with months, like a 24 hapo, put the 24th root on both sides and so forth to teremka hadi chini. So penye tumeenda 24th root of 2, 24th root of 24 is 1, ili inaisha. Nabaki na 1 plus R of 100 hivyo hadi hapo. So the total of the final answer is 2.93% per month. And this is the correct answer. If you're correct, 2.9. This is what we should work with. I hope you have noted that. So tukirudi tutafanya research ingine more about that. Now that we have limited time, tunawaka na hii. I have so many people who have asked questions. Tuwake na hiyo. Kila mtu ameshika hiyo. Hizo discoveries zingine tutafanya tukirudi. Number 10. Somebody is asking about number 10. Kuna mwingine aliuliza number Acha nirudi juu kidogo nione wenye walikuwa wameuliza number 11. Uh, number 11. Hiyo tumemaliza. Number 10. Number 10 ilikuwa na some issues, but we have corrected them. Number 10 ilikuwa hivi. Given that log 2, you are given log 2 is equal to 0.3, 30, 10. Then log 3 umepewa ni 0.4771. Log of 5 ni at the log of 5 hiyo iko na error already, equal to 0.6690. Evaluate using tables ni 216. 0.216. Haya, let me cancel this and start our new page. Nionyeshe how to deal with that. Nikiangalia hii swali 216 can be, you can get the factors of 216. Ikipiga 216, ukiangalia ikipiga na 2, piga na 2, number 16, kila mtu atawafanyia number 16, sijali. Naona hiyo mmeuliza sana. 216 by 2 inakupatia 1 4 8 by 2 again inakupatia 50, inakupatia 9 by 3 3. So it's the same as 216, 0.216 with 216 over 1000. Ndio, log of 1000 is always 3. Hii inajulikana. So in this case, you are not using table anywhere. Sawa. Number 17. Okay, naona mnajiandika, tutashughulikia au allow us. So 216 nimeona in the same na 2 cube times 3 cube. Ni sawa? Haya, so tukuje kwa hii. What you do in such a case, unaigawanisha 216 inakuwa 216 over 1000, 0.216. So itakuja hapa niseme kuna namba na log. Sawa? Namba ya kwanza ni 2 cube. Itakuwa log of 2, 30, 10, 0.30. Tunajua when you are cubing, you multiply the log by 3, 0.3090. Sawa? Twende kwa hii 3, log of 3, log yake ni 3 cube. Log ya 3 71, 0.47 0.77, and because you are cubing, we multiply by 3. So itakuwa 3, 21, 22, 21, 23, 32. 4 times 3 is 12, 41. 1 times 0 is 0 plus 1. Naona mmeziandika sana. You are requesting for number 10. Hiyo tutaona tu sahi. Now that you are multiplying, we add the 2. This, we add. So to get it, itakuwa 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 0 plus 3 again is 3. 1 plus 9. No, 9 plus 4. Umefanya vizuri sana kweli. 3 again, 1, 2 point. Ndio. 4. Are you okay? Are you there? Sasa Ukienda pale, we have 1,000. Log of 1,000 is 3.000. Because we are dividing by 1,000, we subtract the log. So itakuwa 3,343. 2 minus 1 is per 1. So the log is per 1.3343. See kama umepata hivyo. This is the only way you can work it out without using tables. There's no way you have used tables, lakini wacheza na hizi manini. You know that when you're squaring, you multiply the log by 2. When you're cubing, you multiply the log by 3 and all that. Now, okay? We are rushing against time, so naangalia vile request niko nazo. I cannot manage to clear everything, lakini nataka zile burning kwanza. Burning one, you deal with them. Now unajua nakupea hint, make sure you sit and do it yourself. So tukirudi, at least you can have a smile on your face by doing the exam. One of the, yeah, want to look at the numbers that are very popular here. Number 17. Number 17, umeuliza sana. Number 17. Wacha ni deal na number 17. Number 20 pia nimeona imeanza kuulizwa. 17. I want to read the question if I have it and also have it. Kashinda nikiandika. So I expect you to have the question on your side. So here we go. Tuko na L1 is a line passed through two sides and 516. Then negative 4. Negative 4. Okay. Find the equation of the line and the value of A. So at least you have 2 points that are very clear. So the first thing here is get the equation of the line. So in case you have to get the equation, the first thing to do is to get the gradient. Gradient is equal to using the 2 points that are clear. This line is clear. Could change y over x, which is equal to 16 is equal to 16 minus 5 over minus 2. To get 16 minus 5 is 11 over 3. Yeah, that's the gradient. So from there, we can pick one of the points. Then y minus 5 for x minus 3 is equal to y minus 2, sorry. Sababu tunatumia hii point hii is equal to 11 over 3. Equal number 5, tutapata 3y minus 15 is equal to 11x minus 22. Now, so 3y is equal to 11x minus 22 plus 15, negative 7. Yeah, we can divide by 3 over 3. That's all right. Over 3x plus 7 over 3. Now, for now, the other part is supposed to get the value of a. We are given a coordinate, it reads negative 4, h. And we know that the first coordinate represents x, the other coordinates always represent y. Sasa tunarudi kwa equation yako. The best part of the equation, the first way ni kuifanyia pale kwa 3y equal to 11x minus 7 to avoid fractions. But you know, x is represented by negative 4. So hapa kwa x negative 4. So 3y is equal to 11 is negative 4 minus 7. Isn't it? So 3y is equal to 44, negative 44 minus 7. So 3y is negative 51. Yeah. By 3 divided by 3. So y becomes negative 17. But since our point will be negative 4 and h, our h is negative 17. That is our coordinate. So our h is 17 negative. Have we got the value of x? The value of h? Jimmy, sema kitu. The hand is up.
Pardon B, please.
Yes?
Pardon B.
Pardon, which part?
Where I've used the coordinates of negative 4, h, x, and y.
Negative 4 and h, yes?
Yes.
So in this case, are you together up to this point where we have gotten the equation of the line?
Yes.
Equation of the line is y is equal to 11 over 3x minus 7 over 3. Or else, you can pick it at this point. 3y is equal to 11x minus 7. Isn't it?
Yes.
At this point, we are okay.
Yes.
Sasa ile kitu umepewa pale kwa swali ni negative 4 and h. Negative 4 represents x and h represents y. Isn't it?
Yes.
So, since we know the value of x is now negative 4, we will it to the question. Na mahali unaona x unaweka negative 4. Ndio maana tukapata 3y is equal to 11x. Sasa badala ya x tunaweka negative 4 and 4 minus 7. Tukapata 3y is equal to negative 51. Divide na 3 on both sides. Tukapata y is equal to negative 17.
So,
Kwa sawa mpaka hapo? Can we go to part B of the question? Tusonge pamoja. Part B inasema that equation of line 2. Can I delete this? Equation of is 3y plus x is equal to 3y plus x is equal to 3. So of intersection of line. So we already have our L1. L1. Tulikuwa tumepata L1 kama 3y minus 11x 11x is equal to 3y minus 11x is equal to negative 7. Is it okay if I write it like that? Because initially 3y is equal to 11x minus 17. Nitarudisha to 11x per day. The reason as to why I'm doing this is to make sure I'm forming two simultaneous equations. So I'm trying to come up with simultaneous equations the way they are. Line 1 Ile kitu nimefanya hapa is just a matter of rearranging. So if I rearrange them, itapata hivyo. So if I take you back to form 1, you need simultaneous equation. So ukiwa na 3y is equal to 3y plus x is equal to 23. 3y minus 11x is equal to -7. You can decide to subtract the two equations to eliminate this. If you subtract, utapata 12. Is it 12? X minus 11 ni kama plus. X plus 11 is equal to 30. Is it divided by 12 divided by 12? X becomes x inakuwa 30 divided by 12. Is it 2.5? X is 2.5. What about y? You can pick one of the equations, now replace x. Because equation kama ya kwanza ilikuwa 3x. Sorry, it was 3y plus x is equal to 23, but you know x is 2.5. Okay? So tutasema 3y plus 2.5 is equal to 2.3. 3y is equal to, subtract on the other side, tupate hata washamaliza. So tutapata 6.833 at the value of y. Very good. Nimeona mmefanya kazi yangu ikuwe rahisi. You have already given the answer from the chart. Very good. Now, tukiwa hapo, tunaenda kwa hiyo nyingine. Kwa part C. So, x is 2.5. Nyingine ni 6.83. So, the 2.5 and 6.83. Hiyo ndio the coordinate. Ndio. We look at the other part. Morris, before we proceed, Morris akona swali. Morris, unmute and tell us.
I was asking if you can just write 6.8.
Hapana.
If you can just write
Hapana. Andika 6.833. Unajua ni kwa nini? A
Yes.
difference of 0.03 is it makes it brings a very big error. Andika tu at least 4 decimal places. Ndio kuwe accurate.
Yes. Thank you.
Zitakuwa na error kubwa sana. Avoid creating error. Welcome. 333.
The part where
26.
okay, the part of 23 minus 7, -7. Oh, I've noticed it. Sorry. I saw the part where
No,
23 minus -7, but then I noticed that you are minusing it and negative times negative is positive.
Nataka ukue sawa ndio tumalize. Tusiachie hanging.
Okay.
Negative minus negative. Iko sawa? Nataka tu tuende next, Ndio. Tunaambiwa part C. Part C inasema, at least me nasoma, I can read the question as you are reading it also from your books. Part C. B, can I delete all this? Inasema B, which is 1P, B is 1P, is on line L1. Do you have the equation of L1? Is it possible to get P? Those are the questions you should be asking yourself. Wacha tumaliza kusoma swali kwanza. Haya. D is -1P, negative hapo. Hizo ni L1. Find P. Find P. Finding P, just we place our equation here for L1. We place our equation there for L1. L1 ilikuwa 3y plus x is equal no, hiyo sasa equal equation 1. Nataka kuandika kwa utaratibu tu. Kwa utaratibu tu. 3y, I'm going back to 1. Ilikuwa 3y is equal to 11x minus 7. Was that the equation? Because now we are given x. I've told you before that this represents x, this represents y. We are looking for y. So we replace our x with -1. So itakuwa 3y is equal to 11x. Yeah. Minus 7. So 3y is equal to -11 minus 7. Itakuwa 3y is equal to -18. So y is -6. So the point becomes our b becomes -1 and -6. Is it okay? Is it in order? Is it in order? Is it in order? To avoid the error, write in fraction. Crisavio. Ameandika pale kwa comment. It's a very strong point. If you avoid, you want to avoid error completely, write your fraction form. That's a very strong point. So badala ya kushinda ukiuliza nitaandika decimal point ngapi nini, work with fractions. Fractions is 100% way of eliminating the error. So already we have point B. Do we have point A? I'm asking, do you have point A? A equal part of this point. A good one. Intersect at point A. Very good. Point A, ndio ile pale ilikuwa 2.5 and 6.833. Ndio. So we want AB. AB is equal to B minus A. So itakuwa B minus A, which is -16 minus A 0.5, 6.833. Okay? You can do that, or else you cannot work with fractions. Are we okay? Kwa hapo. We subtract to get what? What is 1 minus 1 minus 2.5? Itakuwa negative 3.5. 46 minus it's negative 6. That is positive. We subtract. What is 6 minus 6.83 itakuwa negative 12. Negative 6 minus 8 itakuwa negative 12.833. So the modulus itakuwa square root of 3.5 negative squared plus 12.833 squared negative. When you square the negatives, it will disappear. Itakuwa ngapi? Ngapi? Are you okay? Give me the answer. Answer is 13.3. 123, ameinua mkono. Can say something? Your hand is up. 13.3 as the answer. Thank you for that. Thank you. The last one, I can mention something because our time is up. This is the last question. Nauliza nasema C, which is T9 is on line L2. T9 of the line L2. So utaenda tu kwa L2 kwanza unaiandika. I want to see L2 tulikuwa tumekuwa pale juu as 3y as x is equal to 3. That is our L2. Yeah. But now we are given T and 9. T9. Now this is x. We are given y. So kwa y ndio na replace na 9. So itakuwa 27 is equal to x. So plus x is equal to 23. Tupeleke 27 huko. Passes through C. So C, T9. So our C now becomes negative 4, 9. Is on the line to find T, given that line L3 passes through C, find T, full stop. Given that line L3 passes through C, parallel to L1. Parallel to L1, we go back to L1. L1, gradient yake ilikuwa nini ya L1? I remember gradient ya L1 was 11/3. Gradient ya ile L3 tunapewa hapa L3, because it's parallel to L1, the gradient will also be 11/3. We already have a point and a gradient. So for us to get the equation, tunasema y minus 9 over x plus 4 is equal to 11/3. You work out and get the equation. Sawa. So, nimeona kuna watu wameanza kuongea kidogo pale, which is not right, but it's sawa. We have done well. We started with a few challenges kidogo, but we recovered. Hiyo network alikuwa kanasumbua kidogo, but we are okay. I would like to end there and ask you to complete the remaining before you come back, because I'm sure this paper will help you. Piga research yako vizuri. As you enjoy your make sure you also complete the have a